Hela Hela, it's your boy Sheriff and welcome to the Pro Stream. And in today's episode, it's all about how to install OBS Studio on Windows. But before we carry on, have you all seen my setup reveal on the? If you haven't, links will be down below. And if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, hit on that juicy subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below. Let's do this. On Google search bar, if you type in OBS does stand for Open Broadcaster Software, and if you type in obsproject.com, it will also pop up. There are three options, which is Windows, Mac OS 10.13 Plus and Linux. It is a free and open source software for recording and live streaming, and just click on the one you need to download. Down below is a Premiere tier for YouTube, Logitech, Twitch, Facebook and Nvidia. Here are some of the features for OBS. As you can see, you can click on it as you wish. There is also a Create Professional Production site too. So we're going to scroll back up and click on the Windows icon to download it. Make sure your Windows is updated. On the bottom left you will see the OBS Studio downloading. There is a OBS quick start guideline. I've right clicked on it to open it into a new tab so I can see what it is, but I will be doing another video on it to show you how to do everything. There is an OBS overview, there is a forum and community Discord for people that need help. There is also a help portal, and because OBS is a free site, there is a contribution section. Once I pressed next, I did come across an error, but that was because I was using Streamlabs to record this. However, OBS does not like Streamlabs, so I had to quit it and then retry it. And then after I did that, it went fine. So once you press next, you will see the next icon pop up. So you press next again, unless you want to read all that, but I didn't read it because I couldn't be asked. So you click on browse, hit on where you want it to save it. So I've clicked on my name, the Sheriff, that's where I do all my stuff. Press install and then you just wait for it to extract. Then you click on the checkbox launch OBS Studios and then you finish and voila. So I'm going to be a streamer, so I'll be clicking optimizing for streaming and recording. You guys can pick whatever you want. After you have done that, click on next. Then you set your base resolution, which is your monitor resolution, and then you set your FPS. I will be doing 60 to 30. You can do whatever you want. Click on next, and then you can set up your Twitch, your Facebook, your YouTube, whatever setup you want to use streaming. You just click on next and then you finish. But I'm going to cancel this right now because we don't need to show you how to set it up. I will be doing another video showing you how to add scenes, how to add sources, and how to set up everything, including settings, your output resolution, your recording resolutions, your settings and audio mixer. So that's the end of the video, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and it's been helpful. I'd like to let you know I'm live on Twitch right now, the Sheriff style. So if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like and hit on the juicy subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below. Peace out.